Hi, my name is Felix. I'm a certified public accountant and certified tax technician from the Philippines. I'm also certified in both QuickBooks and Xero. I've been in the accounting industry for more than 4 years now, both local and international. I started my career as an accountant at Deutsche Bank Manila, where my responsibilities included reviewing intercompany transactions, reconciling accounts, ensuring timely bill payments, and managing the monthly closings. Following that, I worked as an accountant at IQEQ Incorporated Philippines. There, I was responsible for the complete end-to-end accounting process for four clients, which involved recording transactions, performing bank reconciliations, preparing consolidated working papers, and generating financial statements. Currently, I'm a US accountant here at Inspire Outsource, and we offer accounting support to US accounting firms. For my hobbies, I enjoy playing chess online, and I also make it a habit to go to the gym to stay healthy.